Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at Oanda. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Oanda is a renowned global leader in online multi-asset trading services, currency data, and analytics. Established in 1996, Oanda has earned a reputation for its innovative approach to financial technology, as well as its commitment to transparency and integrity in the Forex trading industry. With a robust platform that caters to retail and institutional clients alike, Oanda provides access to a wide array of financial instruments. The company's state-of-the-art trading platform is complemented by advanced analytical tools, comprehensive market data, and a commitment to superior customer service, making it a preferred choice for traders around the world. Oanda's dedication to regulatory compliance and its global presence, with offices in major financial hubs, underscores its position as a trusted and reliable partner in the ever-evolving landscape of online trading. Oanda offers a diverse range of market instruments designed to meet the needs of traders seeking comprehensive exposure to global financial markets. Their extensive portfolio includes Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. Each instrument is supported by detailed specifications and transparent pricing, ensuring traders have the information they need to make informed decisions. With advanced trading tools and robust risk management features, Oanda's market instruments caters to both novice and experienced traders, enhancing their ability to capitalize on market movements effectively. Oanda is committed to maintaining the highest standards of regulatory compliance, ensuring a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. The company is regulated by several leading authorities across the globe, reflecting its dedication to operating with transparency and integrity. In Europe, Oanda is authorized and regulated by the FCA, which is known for its stringent oversight and robust regulatory framework. Additionally, Oanda operates under the regulatory supervision of the IIROC, the ASIC, the MAS, and other reputable financial regulatory bodies. Clients' funds are protected and trading practices are fair and transparent, and this global regulatory footprint ensures that Oanda adheres to high standards of financial conduct and offers its clients a reliable and trustworthy trading experience across all markets. The broker offers a variety of promotions and bonuses designed to enhance the trading experience for both new and existing clients. These promotions are tailored to provide added value and incentives, helping traders maximize their potential returns. Oanda's promotional offerings often include welcome bonuses for new clients, which give traders a head start by boosting their initial deposits. Additionally, Oanda periodically may run special promotions that may include cashback offers, trading contests, and referral bonuses, rewarding clients for their loyalty and active participation in the trading community. Oanda offers a suite of sophisticated trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, whether beginner or experienced. These platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Oanda mobile trading application, as well as the TradingView trading platform. Oanda's MetaTrader 5 platform offers traders a powerful and flexible trading experience. Building on the robust features of its predecessor, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 provides a comprehensive suite of advanced trading tools and functionalities designed to enhance trading performance and efficiency. It supports a wide range of asset classes, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios within a single platform. Oanda's mobile trading application offers traders a powerful and convenient way to manage their investments on the go. Available for both iOS and Android devices, the application provides a seamless trading experience with access to all major financial markets. Their mobile application ensures that traders can execute trades monitor market movements, and manage their accounts with ease, anytime and anywhere. The application features advanced charting tools, real-time price alerts, and comprehensive market analysis, allowing traders to stay informed and make timely decisions. Oanda's mobile trading application also offers secure login options, including biometric authentication, ensuring the safety and security of users' accounts. Oanda's integration with the TradingView trading platform offers traders an advanced and highly intuitive trading experience. Combining Oanda's reliable execution with TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools. TradingView is renowned for its comprehensive suite of features that cater to both novice and experienced traders, providing access to a wide range of financial instruments. With Oanda's TradingView platform, users benefit from advanced charting capabilities that include multiple chart types, over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools, enabling detailed market analysis and precise strategy development. The platform also supports custom scripting with TradingView's PineScript, allowing traders to create and implement bespoke indicators and automated trading strategies. Oanda offers a range of trading account types designed to suit the diverse needs and preferences of traders. The company provides both individual and corporate accounts, each tailored to provide specific features and benefits. Regardless of the account type chosen, Oanda prioritizes transparency, security, and regulatory compliance, ensuring that all clients receive a secure and reliable trading experience. These accounts include the Oanda account and their professional trading account, with demo and Islamic account options. The Oanda account is a versatile and user-friendly option tailored to meet the needs of traders at all skill levels. Designed with simplicity and flexibility in mind, the Oanda account provides access to a wide range of financial instruments, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on market opportunities. One of the key features of the Oanda trading account is its competitive pricing structure, offering tight spreads and transparent pricing with no hidden fees or commissions. Traders can also benefit from flexible leverage options, allowing them to control their risk and maximize their potential returns. Oanda's professional trading account is designed for experienced traders who require advanced features and benefits to optimize their trading strategies. Tailored to meet the needs of professional traders, this account type enhances capabilities and specialized services to support sophisticated trading activities across a wide range of financial markets. One of the key benefits of the professional trading account is access to higher leverage options, providing traders with greater flexibility to amplify their positions and potentially increase their returns. Additionally, professional clients may benefit from reduced margin requirements, allowing for more efficient use of capital and increased trading capacity. In addition to these benefits, professional clients may also enjoy priority customer service, exclusive market insights, and access to advanced trading tools and resources. Oanda also offers a demo trading account, which provides traders with a risk-free environment to practice trading strategies and explore the company's platform features and functionalities. Designed for both novice and experienced traders alike, the demo account provides access to real-time market data and a virtual balance of funds, allowing users to simulate trading conditions without risking actual capital. Additionally, Oanda provides an Islamic trading account, which is specifically designed to cater to the needs of Muslim traders who adhere to Islamic principles regarding finance and investing. Compliant with Sharia law, this account type offers a trading solution that aligns with Islamic ethical and religious beliefs. Creating an account with Oanda is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage. And on their homepage, click on the Open Account button. Submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, and create a password. And once your account has been submitted, you will be redirected to the Oanda client portal. Once you have created and submitted your account, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with Oanda. On the right side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch through all of the available market instruments that Oanda provides directly from this panel. In the center of the workspace, you have your chart. And at the top of the screen, a variety of indicators, tools, and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to any of their trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online, or over on the Oanda Educational Resources panel to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Oanda offers a variety of convenient and secure deposit and withdrawal methods to facilitate seamless transactions for its clients. With a focus on accessibility and reliability, the company provides multiple options for funding trading accounts and withdrawing profits. Traders can choose from a range of deposit methods, including bank wire transfers, credit or debit cards, and online payment processes, such as PayPal and Skrill. Each method is designed to ensure fast and efficient processing, allowing clients to fund their accounts quickly and easily. Similarly, Oanda provides flexible withdrawal options, enabling clients to access their funds with ease. Withdrawals can typically be made using the same methods as deposits, providing added convenience and simplifying the transaction process. Oanda offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. These resources cater to traders of all levels, from beginners looking to learn the basics of trading to experienced professionals seeking to refine their strategies and stay ahead of market trends. Oanda offers an extensive library of articles, tutorials, and guides covering a wide range of topics, including Forex trading fundamentals, technical analysis, risk management strategies, and more. In addition to written content, Oanda also offers interactive educational tools and resources such as webinars, video tutorials, and live trading events. These interactive sessions allow traders to learn directly from market experts, ask questions, and engage with other members of the trading community in real time. The broker also offers a comprehensive news service to help traders stay informed about the latest developments in the financial markets. With a focus on delivering timely and relevant information, Oanda's trading news covers a wide range of topics, including market analysis, economic indicators, geopolitical events, and more. Traders can access Oanda's trading news through various channels, including the company's website, their trading platforms, and mobile applications. By providing a comprehensive trading news service, Oanda demonstrates its commitment to providing traders with the information they need to succeed in the financial markets, whether traders are beginners or experienced professionals. Oanda's trading news offers valuable insights and analysis to support their trading activities. Oanda has garnered recognition and acclaim from industry peers and organizations, earning numerous awards for its excellence in online trading services. These accolades highlight Oanda's commitment to providing innovative technology and superior customer service to traders around the world. Some of their most recent awards include the Brokerage House of the Year, the Best CFD Broker of the Year, the Best Broker of the Year, the Most Popular Broker, among many other awards. By consistently earning awards and recognition from industry peers, Oanda reaffirms its commitment to excellence and its dedication to providing traders with the best possible trading experience. These awards serve as a testament to Oanda's ongoing efforts to innovate and improve its services, ensuring that clients receive the highest level of satisfaction and support. Overall, Oanda stands as a reputable and trusted leader in the online trading industry. renowned for its commitment to innovation, transparency, and client satisfaction. With a comprehensive range of trading instruments, advanced trading platforms, and extensive educational resources, Oanda empowers traders of all levels to navigate the global financial markets with confidence. Supported by its dedication to regulatory compliance, award-winning service, and continuous technological advancements, Oanda remains a preferred choice for traders seeking a reliable and cutting-edge trading experience. At the heart of Oanda's success lies its cutting-edge technology and innovative platforms. From the intuitive Oanda trading mobile application to the versatile MetaTrader 5 integration and the sophisticated TradingView interface, Oanda provides traders with the tools and resources they need to stay ahead in today's fast-paced markets. Moreover, Oanda's mobile trading application ensures seamless access to trading accounts, enabling traders to stay connected and responsive to market movements on the go. As traders continue to seek reliable and forward-thinking partners in their pursuit of financial success, Oanda remains steadfast in its mission to empower traders with the tools, resources, and support they need to achieve their goals in the ever-evolving landscape of global finance. And that is our overview of Oanda. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.